Hi superstars! If you're thinking of starting palm oil business in Nigeria or palm oil storage business in Nigeria, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be sharing the latest trends in palm oil business in Nigeria. I'll be giving you updates on price of palm oil, price of jerry cans, and other things in palm oil business in Nigeria. So if you're in palm oil business, then get in here. Let's get started. Alright, so first, I want to ask, what are people still doing with their stored palm oil? My superstars, why are you still keeping stored palm oil up till now? Okay, so I went to where they sell palm oil and I realized that some people are still selling their stored palm oil. People are still keeping stored palm oil up till now. What's going on? Do you want to sell at a loss? Or do you want the palm oil to lose quality? Or what's going on? Why are you still keeping up till now? Few weeks from now, we'll start having palm oil. Okay, so people will be going more for freshly milled palm oil, and the price of stored palm oil is going to drop. So, my superstars, if you don't want to sell at a loss, go and sell out all your stored palm oil and prepare for fresh palm oil. Okay, my superstars, all right? And also for people who have not yet prepared their storage facilities, what are you waiting for? Okay, we are fast approaching that time of the year when people are going to start storage. Okay, so now would be a good time for you to start preparing your storage facilities. You need to start getting your materials. Okay, so that brings me to the price of jerrycan. All right, the price of jerrycan is still very high up there. Okay, I had expected that by now the price of jerrycan will drop. Okay, due to production has started and all that. But funny enough, it has not dropped. Okay, the price of yellow jerrycans is still 4,500 naira in the market, while the price of white jerrycan is still 4,900 to 5,000 naira in the market. And so people are beginning to sell higher. Okay, so if you were waiting, my superstars, please, I beg of you, don't wait anymore. Okay, I had expected that it should drop, but it's not going to drop. Okay, I heard rather than drop, it's going to start increasing. So I suggest you go ahead and buy your jerry cans. But if you want to wait, you can wait. Okay, during peak season, there's always an increase in demand. Okay, and the supply is always low. That means when there's an increase in demand, there's going to be an increase in price. All right, so for those who were waiting for a drop in price, like I said, if you want to wait, you can go ahead and wait. But I suggest that if you want to buy, you go ahead and buy now. All right, or you could get alternative materials for storage. Okay, you have to start looking for alternative materials that are way cheaper. You could store your palm oil. Okay, I don't know how storage this year will be, but I keep believing God that it will work out. It's definitely not going to be like the low price. All right, some people will say, last year I bought palm oil at 25,000 naira, I bought at 24,000 naira, I bought at 26,000 naira. I have to buy at that rate. My superstar, so many people are going to miss storage this year. If you work based on estimations of last year, you are not going to be a part. Okay, like I said, the price of palm oil drops quickly. It drops quickly, sharply for like 2 3 days, and those who are smart enough to take sharp decisions delve in and buy. So I want you to go and start making up your mind on the price that if you hear, you will buy, because it is definitely not going to be as low as it was last year. Look at it. Up till now, the price of palm oil is still very high up there. It has not reduced. So many things that have gone up this year have refused to reduce. It keeps increasing, it keeps increasing, it keeps increasing. So I'm not trying to bust your bubble or make you feel sad or anything. I'm being really realistic here. Okay. There was a year I set a target like that. I was like, if palm oil does not reduce to 21,000 naira, I'm not going to buy and store. If it does not reduce to 21,000, I will not buy and store. And that year, I waited. Someone called me and told me it's 22. Oh, won't you buy? I said, no, I'll not buy. I want 21. The person called me, it's 21 500 naira. Won't you buy? I said, I want 21. I am not buying. And before you know it, the next moment I heard from 21, it went back to 22. Before I could say Jack, it was 22 500. It kept increasing at a very high rate. And guess what? I regretted that I didn't buy at 21 500. Okay. Felt so bad. And I ended up missing storage that year. So this year, it will require that you make very smart decisions if you are going to store palm oil this year. Once you hear a reasonable price and you know that in your area, in your state, the price of palm oil is always high, buy and store. Don't wait until it gets to low. Like last year, you may not see it. You end up missing storage and you may even end up buying up at a very high price. By the time you realize, it will start picking up again, and it is gone. Okay, my superstars. So this year, I came to tell you to make smart decisions when it's time to buy. Try and make quick and smart decisions when it's time to buy so you do not miss out of storage this year. Okay, my superstars, have you given me a thumbs up? Please give me a thumbs up so I'll know you love this content and you are getting the gist. All right. Okay, let's continue. Asad, yesterday, when I called my millers to find out the price of palm oil, it is 51,000 naira for freshly milled palm oil. Yes, palm oil is still expensive. While for those who are selling stored palm oil, you can get a good stored palm oil at 49,000 naira in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. Okay, so like I said, I'll keep bringing updates from time to time on palm oil price and palm oil so you can know and prepare. For those who want to start palm oil business in Nigeria, please make sure you don't miss. Okay, make sure you don't miss so you keep getting updates from time to time. Keep watching out, keep looking out so you get updates on price of palm oil, price of jerry cans, price of all materials you need for palm oil storage business. All right. And should the price of jerrycan drop, I'll also come back here and announce on this channel. So keep looking out for those who are interested in starting. Okay, my superstars. All right. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. All right. Have you subscribed? Please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. Have you liked this video? Please give me a thumbs up as I'll know you love this kind of content and I'll keep bringing more and more of this. All right. Thank you for watching, my superstars. Till our next video, always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.